Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to factory reset an Aura frame in 2026. Now, this is the main way to reset your Aura frame when it is working or even if it is stuck. So first of all, you need to make sure that the frame is powered on. Afterwards, you need to locate the reset button, which is usually at the side of the frame. So it is located over here. So when you are basically able to locate the factory reset button or the reset button, you will need a pin which you need to insert it here in this particular hole. After that, you just have to basically press and hold it and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Now release the button when the screen restarts and when the logo appears. So when you do this, just wait for the setup screen to show, and this way you will be able to basically factory reset your Aura frame in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.